Oh no! No, told you should have the freewheeler.
Right, break the camera.
My fault.
Why?
It's not going to be his fault, is it?
It's been the last of this.
Yeah, but it's a stream, isn't it?
Turn it down, isn't it?
Did you want any more sticks? No. Remember?
No.
In April. I've don't seen this before. Is he going to go again? Could have gone that way. Or we can cut across and...
Go across to the straw. Like the New Forest, isn't it? Like this.
This was all come down from the...
It's all like all
Oh shit! Oh, stinks. That's all just drained off.
Not that way, is it?
That was just drying up though, isn't it? Look. Slowly, it's stagnant water, isn't it?